CHZ most certainly faces opposition at 20 cents in a really significant manner. CHZ down roughly 2.53% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours, so CHZ down around 2.53% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in a fundamentally enormous manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, which truly is genuinely huge. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the very past week acquiring 0.21%, which really is genuinely critical. 24 September 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and attempt to answer these habitually by and large clarified some things, facts, what in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Chilliz. For the most part is CHZ and in every way that really matters, wise venture, or so they truly thought. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so forth, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the CHZ specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us discuss the really current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,043,861,656,281, or so they sort of thought. The kind of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $17,771,514,007, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15% in a quite enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time span, showing that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20 in an in every practical sense, large way. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 1.24 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is very huge. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a kind of descending heading for genuinely transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a fundamentally broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they sort of thought. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters, recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how CHZ explicitly faces opposition at 20 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become sort of more truly dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in a real sense thought. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers for the most part become move truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15%, or so they especially thought. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, truly is at $0.057, down 2.53% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 0.21% over the course of the week, especially further appearance how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,043,861,656,281, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 15,623,788.00 United States dollars, while exceptionally all-out market cap came to $424,701,080 United States dollars, showing how the truly all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $17,771,514,007, which generally is very critical. There sort of are practically 7,466,079,839 explicitly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, exhibiting how following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, most certainly is at $0.057, down 2.53% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and most certainly has a value change of 0.21% over the course of the week. In every way that really matters, further appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there all things considered, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,043,861,656,281, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 24 September 2023, inside an especially everyday time period, especially made sense of underneath, so CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in a really significant way. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Chilliz in a truly significant manner explicitly. The truly relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin in every practical sense, is presently drifting at 28 for 14 days normal line, which for the most part implies CHZ by and large is an oversold zone, and a pattern certainly inversion most certainly is conceivable, so Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the truly past week acquiring 0.21%, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Chilliz sort of has in every practical sense, break all its generally upholds levels, and things especially are not searching all things considered, really great for the crypto market, by and large further appearance, how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the CHZ specialized examination, for the most part let us in every way that really matters discuss the truly momentum economic situations in an all things considered, enormous way. As of now, in every practical sense, bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively basically take CHZ cost beneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, truly further appearance how they're exhibiting how following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, especially is at $0.057, down 2.53% in every way that really matters, recent hours and all things exceptionally further appearance how market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%,